Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a CV axle on a Ford Focus. First, ensure you have all necessary tools and safety equipment ready before starting any work. You will need a new CV axle, a 30mm socket, a torque wrench, and fresh cotter pins. Having these items prepared will make the process much smoother and safer. Always remember to work on a level surface and use proper lifting techniques. Before lifting your Ford Focus, use a breaker bar to loosen the lug nuts on the wheel. Once they are loose, safely raise the front of the vehicle using a jack and then place sturdy jack stands under the frame for support. Never work under a car supported only by a jack. After the car is secure, remove the lug nuts completely and take off the wheel. Then, remove the large axle nut from the center of the hub. To gain enough clearance, you'll need to separate a suspension component, often the lower ball joint or a tie rod end. This allows the hub assembly to swing out. Once you have space, carefully push the old axle shaft inward, guiding it out of the hub. Next, position a pry bar between the transmission and the inner CV joint. With a firm, gentle push, pop the axle free from the transmission. Be ready for a small amount of fluid to drip. Now, carefully slide the new CV axle into the transmission, ensuring it seats fully. Then, guide the outer end through the hub assembly. Reattach any suspension components you disconnected, like the ball joint or tie rod, and tighten all fasteners to their specified torque. Install the new axle nut and a fresh cotter pin. Remember to check the description below for a link to this recommended book and other great deals. Finally, lower the vehicle, tighten the lug nuts, and take it for a test drive.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.